Production note: this script is about replacing professional editing software, Premiere Pro, with AI, InVideo. The transcript should highlight the feature comparison, workflow difference, and cost savings. Target 5 to 6 minutes, English, US guy voice. Include the screenshots from the InVideo folder as visual support throughout. You've spent hours learning Premiere Pro. Keyboard shortcuts. Timeline management. Export settings. It took months just to feel comfortable. And after all that, you still need stock footage, color grading skills, and sound design knowledge to make something that looks professional. What if you could replace all of that with a single text prompt? In this video, I'm going to show you why I replaced Premiere Pro with InVideo's AI video generator. The honest comparison. What the AI does better. What Premiere Pro still wins at. And whether you should make the switch. Let's get into it. I used Premiere Pro for years. I edited music videos, social content, YouTube uploads. I was comfortable with it. It's powerful. But here's what Premiere Pro actually requires to create a music video. You need to source footage. Either you shoot it yourself, which means location scouting, equipment, lighting, and hours of filming, or you buy stock clips from sites like ArtGrid or Storyblocks. Either way, there's significant time and money before you even open the timeline. You need to arrange clips. Drag them onto the timeline. Cut them to length. Align them with the beat. This takes hours even for a simple video. You need to add transitions. Choose the right type. Adjust the timing. Make sure they don't look cheap. You need to color grade. Match the look across different clips. Apply LUTs. Adjust exposure, contrast, saturation. You need to add text. Choose fonts. Animate text. Sync it with the audio. You need to export. Choose codecs. Set bit rates. Test different formats. Total time for a 3-minute music video in Premiere Pro. Easily 4 to 8 hours. If you're experienced, maybe 2 to 3. If you're a beginner, could be an entire weekend. Now here's how InVideo handles the same task. You upload your song. The AI analyzes it in seconds, tempo, mood, structure, energy levels. You describe what you want. A cinematic music video with urban night scenes, neon reflections, and slow motion cuts on the beat. You click Generate. In about a minute, InVideo produces a complete video. Professional stock clips from the iStock and Storyblocks library. Beat-synced transitions. Consistent color grading. Text overlays if you want them. Multiple format exports. Total time, about 5 minutes. And the result looks professional. Let me be fair and acknowledge where Premiere Pro still wins. For precise, frame-level control, Premiere Pro is unmatched. If you need to cut exactly on a specific frame, if you need complex motion graphics, if you need multi-camera editing with precise synchronization, Premiere Pro is the tool for that. InVideo doesn't give you a timeline with frame-level control. It gives you AI editing with text-based refinement. For projects where you're working with raw footage that you shot yourself, Premiere Pro is essential. InVideo is designed around its stock library and AI generation. It can import your footage, but the workflow isn't optimized for custom-shot video. For team collaboration with version control, shared projects, and professional review pipelines, Premiere Pro has the infrastructure. InVideo has multiplayer mode, but it's simpler and designed for faster turnaround, not enterprise-level collaboration. So here's my honest recommendation. If you're creating content that needs to go fast, music videos for release, social media cuts, lyric videos, Spotify canvases, use InVideo. The speed difference is not close. 5 minutes versus hours. And for these types of content, the quality difference is negligible or even favors InVideo because of the professional stock library. If you're creating a passion project with custom-shot footage that needs frame-level editing, a short film, a documentary, a high-end brand video, use Premiere Pro. The creative control is worth the time investment. For most independent artists and content creators, the answer is clear. You're releasing frequently. You need volume. You need speed. You don't have hours per video. InVideo handles 80% of what you'd use Premiere Pro for, in 5% of the time. And here's the cost comparison that makes the decision even clearer. Adobe Premiere Pro is $23 per month. But that's just the software. You still need stock footage, which is another $15 to $30 per month from a stock site. You still need fonts, plugins, presets. Actual monthly cost is closer to $40 to $60. And that's before you value your time. InVideo is $28 per month. Everything included. Software, stock library, AI generation, text tools, multi-format export. No plugins. No stock subscriptions. One tool, one price. For the cost of Premiere Pro plus stock footage for 1 month, you get InVideo for almost 2 months. And you save dozens of hours of editing time. I still have Premiere Pro installed. I use it for projects where I need frame-level precision. But those projects are maybe 10% of what I create. The other 90%, music videos, social cuts, promotional content, Spotify canvases, all in video. Link in the description. Free tier available to try it. $28 a month if you want unlimited with no watermark. Try one project. Time yourself. Compare the result to what you'd make in Premiere Pro in the same time. I think you'll be surprised. If this comparison was helpful, hit like and subscribe. What editing software do you currently use? Are you thinking about switching? Drop it in the comments. Link in the description. Now go create faster.